Magandang umaga, Pilipinas! Hello world! My name is Ryan and welcome to Cupcakes Po! I'm an immigrant from the Philippines and I came to the US in search of my American dream. Like most of you who's watching this, I didn't have the proper training to make cupcakes. I also didn't go to school for baking. I learned everything I know about baking through the same place where you are right now, on YouTube. So, I started my YouTube channel to share all my passions with you. Show your support and love by hitting that subscribe button and ding that bell to get notified of new videos. My mom was a single mother who raised me and my 3 brothers. My brothers and I have all grown up and left home. I love you, Ma. This channel is dedicated to you. Hi, Ma.
Hello?
Hello, Ma.
Hello?
You're on camera, Mama. Say hi. I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.